Hello everyone. Today video about EIGRP configuration. Anyone miss my previous videos? First view that video and come this video. Okay, let's move our today video. Today I'm discuss about EIGRP AS 100 configuration. Okay, what is the EIGRP? EIGRP routing protocol, it is used to large enterprises computer network environment, and also it is designed to enable routers to exchange routing information within an autonomous system. Okay, this is the basic idea of EIGRP. Okay, let's move our today diagram. You can see this diagram. This diagram have 5 networks. This is first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one networks. Okay, first I move to first step. Go to PC and assign the IP address. You can see desktop IP configuration 192.168.12. This PC first IP address and subnet mask. Default gateway 192.168.12.254. You can see this interface IP address I am assigned PC4 default gateway. Okay, now close it, and next I move to configure the old interface in routers. CLI now enable configure terminal interface. First this interface is 0/0 IP address 10.12.12.1 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Next I move to next interface G0/1 IP address 10.12.13.1 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. And next I move to next router. This router now enable configure terminal interface G0/0 IP address 10.12.12.2. Next interface G0/IP address 10.12.24.1 255.255.252. No shutdown. Okay, let's move to this router. This router 1, this is router 2, this is router 3, and this is router 4. Next I move to router 3. Now enable configure terminal interface G0/1 IP address 10.12.13.255. No shutdown. And next interface G0/2 address 10.12.34.2. So 1 and 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Next time, move to next router. This router have 3 interfaces. Enable, configure, terminal. Interface G0/2. The address 10.12.3.2. No shutdown. The next interface IP address 10.12.24.2. 255.255.252. No shutdown. And the next interface G0/0 IP address 192.168.1254. 255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, first step is done, and next I move to create loopback interfaces. Now this is router 1, 2, 3, 4, and also exit interface loopback 0 IP address 1.1.1.1 255.255.255. No shutdown. You can see loopback interface is created now, and move to next router. Exit interface loopback 0 IP address 2.2.2.2 255.255.255 and 255. No shut. And move to router 3. Exit interface loopback 0. Sorry about that. 0 IP and 3.3.3.255.255.255 and 255. And the next router. Interface loopback 0 IP address 4.4.4.255.255.255 and 255. No shutdown. Next I move to create EIGRP 100 configuration. Yes, router 1. Exit type router EIGRP. That is in command EP100. Next I'm assigning network addresses 10.12.0.0.0.0. This interface address 3 means this use 252 and 252. Yeah, you can see 252 255 minus 252 equal 3. And next network is 30 12 30. Okay, next address loopback and also no auto summary and passive interface is 10. Loopback 0. Okay, now you can see it's done. Next, do show IP protocols. You can see routing protocol EIGRP 100 and all the details are here. Okay, next I move to next router. Exit router EIGRP 100 and network 10.12.12.0 and this interface network address 10.12.24.0 and next loopback address. And next type passive int loopback 0. Okay, you can see this two interface and passive interface. Do show IP protocols. You can see EIGRP 100. You can see routing networks are in here. And move to next router 3. Exit router EIGRP 100 and network 10.12.13.0 and 0.0.03 and the next network 10.12.34.0 and loopback IP address. Passive interface back 0. Do show IP protocols. Can see sign done. Okay, next I move to last router 4. Exit router EIGRP 100 network 10.12.24.0 next network 34 and next network. This router has 3 network 92.168.12.0. You can see this network. 255. Okay, next interface loopback interface. You can see next type passive interface loop back 0. Okay, you show IP protocols. You can see all the EIGRP protocols are enabled in all routers. After, under do show IP EIGRP enable. You can see these two are the neighbor. You can see. And next time do show IP route EIGRP. You can see all the IP routes are in here. Then I'm trying to ping this interface. Ping 10.2.2.2. You can see it is ping. Next I type this interface 34.1. You can see all the packets send and receive. Finally, you can see all the networks are working perfectly and packets are send and receive. Okay, this is the end of today's video. Next video upload in previous day. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you very much.